Best Infrared Sauna 3-Person Corner. Number 1. Researched. Infrared Sauna 3-Person Corner. Health benefits and relaxation. Immerse yourself in full-spectrum red light therapy that rejuvenates your skin. Strengthen your immune and cardiovascular system. Experience muscle relaxation, skin cleansing, pain relief, body detoxing, and more. Luxurious build quality. Your sauna is meant to last you a long time. Natural hemlock will not only last you more than a decade, but will also appreciate and harden with use. Tempered glass isn't there just for looks, it significantly boosts the high energy efficiency our saunas provide. Relax to the fullest with built-in backrests. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 2. Dynamic. Infrared Sauna 3-Person Corner. Infrared saunas create an environment that allows radiant heat energy to be absorbed into the human body. And in doing so, it promotes a host of revolutionary benefits that heal the body. There are a number of remarkable health benefits attributed to radiant heat. The deep tissue warmth relaxes sore muscles, reduces stiffness, and relieves joint pain, specifically the kind of chronic pain associated with arthritis. In addition, the infrared radiant heat promotes a variety of health remedies including weight loss and improving skin conditions such as eczema, psoriasis, cellulite, and acne. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 3. Rego. Infrared Sauna 3-Person Corner. Infrared Carbon Ultra Low EMF Energy Efficient Heating Panels, EMF under 3 mg, surround your body. It is equipped with 4 heating plates and 1 lamp tube. The heat of the lamp tube makes the temperature rise faster. Graphene heating plate allows you to enjoy sauna and health more. Excellent thermal insulation material and heating plate technology can reach your set temperature in 20 minutes. Good for health, lowers blood pressure. Detoxifies and increases blood circulation. Alleviates joint pain, ease pain from sore muscles or aching joints. Besides burning calories, improves skin tone among other benefits. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 4. Canlin. Infrared Sauna 3-Person Corner. Through the app or LCD control panel, you can set it remotely according to your needs. The current time and temperature are synced with the app and visible on the app. The operation is as simple as that. You can freely set the time and heat in the sauna without leaving the sauna room. White check mark, Far Infrared Sauna, built-in 8 carbon crystal far infrared low EMF heating plates, 1600 watts power, 10 to 15 minutes quick preheat, max temperature up to 65 degrees Celsius / 149 degrees Fahrenheit, light touch control panel and LED display, easy to use, Bluetooth speaker and LED reading light. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 5. Heat Wave. Infrared Sauna 3-Person Corner. Far infrared heat rejuvenates your body by warming your core temperature, loosening your muscles and easing joint pain. Each heater is perfectly positioned to provide steady heat throughout your body. Eastern hemlock scar-resistant and hypoallergenic properties make it the ideal wood for sauna construction. This durable wood is an excellent insulator, keeping your heat contained within your sauna room. Ease the stresses of the day with a full-spectrum color therapy system. An integrated sound system includes a CD player, radio, and aux input. You'll also enjoy comfortable backrests, towel hooks, and a magazine rack. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Like, comment, subscribe our YouTube channel.